The only drive that makes your friends jealous and loads Storm Surge faster. SanDisk Fortnite Peely 2 TB.
Ever felt your PS5 or Xbox scream storage full right when the battle bus is taking off? You're one update away from deleting a favorite game just to install the new season. We've all been there, cursing at load screens while the squad waits. Drop toxic in the comments if low storage has legitimately tilted you this week.
Imagine never uninstalling a single title again. No more 2 a.m. stress math deciding which game dies tonight. No more watching the circle close while your external HDD chugs like it's on dial-up. What if one tiny yellow banana could end that chaos forever and actually make your friends a little jealous?
Meet the SanDisk 2 TB Fortnite Portable SSD Peely Edition, the limited edition drive that stuffs your entire library into a pocket-sized banana with 800 megabytes per second speed. We're talking dozens of AAA titles, all your creative maps, replay files, and 4K clips with room left for the next 10 seasons. One creator told me he transferred 400 gigabytes of raw footage in under 9 minutes while eating actual breakfast bananas. Life imitates art. Plug it into PS5, Xbox Series X, PC, even your Steam Deck, and games load so fast you'll think the storm is scared of Peely. The silicone shell survives 2 meters drops tested by clumsy streamers worldwide, and the carabiner loop means it lives on your backpack like a flexing pet. Real talk, this isn't just storage, it's a lifestyle upgrade, wrapped in the most iconic skin in Fortnite history. Keep watching, because there's a secret setting at the end that shaves another 15% off load times.
Thousands of players and creators have already ditched slow drives for Peely. Here's why they're obsessed. A top PS5 tech reviewer clocked Cold War zombies loading 42% faster straight from the Peely SSD than the internal drive on backward-compatible titles. A Fortnite content creator with 800,000 followers said, "I plug Peely in and suddenly my entire workflow is smoother than a rebooted reboot van." Another dad told me his kid went from rage-quitting storage issues to bragging rights at school because my drive is literally Peely, Dad. The bright yellow shell gets compliments at every LAN. The 800 megabytes per second speed is real-world verified across benchmarks, and the 2 terabytes capacity means you'll never delete Warzone again. One pro analyst called it the smartest collab in gaming hardware. SanDisk didn't just slap a skin on it, they built a monster performer that happens to be hilarious. Which feature would save your sanity most? Never deleting games, stupid fast transfers, or straight-up flexing Peely on your setup? Comment your pick below. I'm reading every single one.
Limited stock on the Peely edition is actually running low. Retailers are already showing last units warnings. Join the thousands who've gone bananas and locked in theirs before they're gone forever. Click the link, grab yours, and drop your gamer tag in the comments once it arrives. I'll personally shout out the first 50 who comment Peely Gang when their drive ships. Don't just watch the wins, live them. Secure your SanDisk 2 TB Fortnite Peely edition right now and never worry about storage again. Go bananas or go home.